So children, now we'll discuss acids and bases definitions. Only acids and bases definitions. Okay, 10th class, cbse. First one, children. Okay, what is an acid? Arrhenius acid. If I say arrhenius acid, does it have any meaning, children? Arrhenius acid is that substance which liberates
H+ ions when dissolved in water.
H plus ions when dissolved in water, which liberates H plus ions when dissolved in water, which liberates H plus ions when dissolved in water. Okay, next, bronsted acid. Bronsted acid.
Proton donors are acids.
Very good, fantastic. Proton donors are acids. Lewis acid.
Electron acceptors are acids.
Very good, very good. Electron acceptors. Okay, what happens, Satvika? What did you eat today? Electron acceptors are Lewis acids, children. Which accept electrons are called Lewis acids. Okay, next, we will see all bases, children. Arrhenius base.
Substance which liberate OH- ions when dissolved in water.
When dissolved in water. Some examples, children. You have to give NaOH, KOH, something. Here also HCl, H2SO4, something. Okay, so you have to give. This is Arrhenius base liberates OH- ions when dissolved in water. Arrhenius base dissolves OH- ions when dissolved in water. Arrhenius base dissolves OH- ions when dissolved in water. Next, bronsted base.
Proton acceptors are bases.
Proton acceptors are bases. Proton acceptors are bases. Next, Lewis base.
Electron donor.
Electron donors are bases.
Electron donors are bases. Electron donors are bases. Okay, children, electron donors are bases. Next, what is an indicator?
Substances which show different colors and tastes in acids and bases.
Very good. Substances which show different properties in acids and bases are called indicators. Substances which show different properties in acids and bases are called. One example like blue litmus, red litmus, methyl orange, phenolphthalein. You should give, children. Okay. Next, what is a universal indicator? Universal indicator.
Mixture of dyes.
Mixture of many dyes. Mixture of many dyes. Mixture of many dyes which show different colors in acids, which show different colors in acids and bases. Which show different colors in acids and bases. Next, olfactory indicators.
Indicators which lose smell in acids and bases.
Indicators which show different smell. Indicators which show different smell in acids and bases. Different smell in acids and bases. Please copy, children, all of you. Please copy. Again, seeing the video will waste a lot of your time. Okay, please copy, children. Okay, indicators which show different smell in acids and bases are called olfactory indicators. Olfactory indicators. Okay, children, they are olfactory indicators. Okay, next, these are indicators. pH. What is the definition of pH? Negative.
Logarithm of base 10 hydrogen ion composition.
Hydrogen ion concentration. Negative logarithm of base 10 hydrogen ion, brackets means concentration. Okay, very important. Write formula whenever they ask definition. Negative. Okay, children.
Logarithm of base 10 hydrogen ion concentration.
Very good. Negative logarithm of base 10 hydrogen ion concentration. Negative logarithm of base 10 hydrogen ion concentration. Next, negative logarithm. Next, what is a salt? What is a salt? When acid reacts with base, salt and water is formed. Okay, so salt is a mixture of acid and bases. Salt is a combination of acid and bases. Salt is a combination of acid and bases. Okay, what is acidic salt? What is acidic salt? Salt formed from
strong acid, weak.
Salt formed from strong acid and weak base. Salt formed from strong acid and weak base. Next, what is basic salt?
Salt formed from strong base and weak acid.
Salt formed from strong base and weak acid. Please write all definitions in your books, children. Please go through before examinations. Okay. Next, strong base, weak acid is basic salt. Next, what is neutral salt?
Salt formed from either strong base and strong acid,
Or
weak base or weak acid.
very good. Salt formed from strong acid and strong base, or weak acid and weak base. Strong acid, strong base also will give you neutral salt. Weak acid and weak base also will give you neutral salt. Acidic solvents compulsory strong acid. Basic solvents, one example of acidic salt, children, anyone? One example of acidic salt, whether they ask or not, you should write. One example of acidic salt. Okay. FeCl2. HCl is strong acid. FeOH2 is a weak base. Basic salt, anyone? Basic salt. Na2CO3.
Na2CO3.
Strong base. H2CO3 is a weak acid. Like that. You should be in a position to write your answers, children. Definition, if you are writing means verify. If you are writing example means you understood the subject. The only definition you not means you learned it without understanding. If you are writing definitions also, examples also, reactions also, then it means that you understood the subject very, very well. That is the indication, children. So 14 already completed, children. 14 already completed. Still it is there, children. Okay. Next, what is the next definition? Anyone?
Chloralkali process.
Chloralkali process, what definition will give? Will give alkali. Definition of alkali.
Bases soluble in water.
Bases soluble in water are called alkalis. Bases soluble in water are called alkalis. Bases soluble in water are called alkalis. Some best examples. Examples: NaOH is example, KOH is example. Bases soluble in water are called alkalis. Okay. Next, most important definition. Never it missed in board exams. Water of
crystallization.
very, very, very important definition. Very, very important.
It is the fixed number of water molecules for each formula unit of salt.
Very
One
good.
formula.
One formula. Very good. Fixed number of water molecules. Fixed number of water molecules present in. Fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit of salt. Fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit of salt. Fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit of salt. Some of the famous examples: copper sulfate, 5H2O, Na2CO3, 10H2O, CuSO4, okay, CaSO4, 2H2,
2H2O.
CaSO4, half
Half
H2O,
H2O.
FeSO4, 7H2O. So children, write one below each. Don't write side by side because of space constraint I am writing. You don't write like that, children. So this is water of crystallization, children. Okay. Any more definitions are there in acids and bases, children? In acids and bases, do we have any more definitions, children? Okay, no definitions, but just I am adding, children. What is a litmus paper? What is a litmus paper? It is an indicator. It is an indicator. It is an indicator which is prepared from red algae. It is an indicator which is prepared from red algae. It is an indicator prepared from red algae. It is indicator which is it is an indicator which is prepared from lichens. It is indicator which is prepared from lichens. It is an indicator which is prepared from lichens. What are lichens, children? Symbiotic association of. What is lichen? Symbiotic association of
Algae and moss.
algae and fungi. Symbiotic association of algae and fungi are called lichens. So children, any more definitions are there in acids and bases and salts, children? Any more definition? Any more definition, children? Antacid. What is an antacid? Okay, antacid is a mild base. Antacid is a mild base, and which gives relief from
Acidity.
acidity. Acidity. Antacid is a mild base which gives relief from acidity. Antacid is a mild base which gives relief from acidity. Some examples, famous examples. NaHCO3,
MgOH taken right.
milk of magnesia. Baking soda is present in our house only. Okay, antacid. Yeah, antacid is okay. Next, any more definitions are there in this lesson, children? Any more definitions are there in this lesson? Acids and bases and salts. Yes, children. Acids we studied, bases we studied. Acids I told, bases I told, pH I told. In properties neutralization I told, and chloralkali process we discussed alkali. In bleaching powder, bleaching agent. What is a bleaching agent? Yes, children. What is a bleaching agent? What is a bleaching agent, children? Substance which help in, yeah, anyone? What is a bleaching agent? Substance which help in removal of color. Substance which helps in removal of color. What is the best example for us? Bleaching powder. Substance which helps in removal of color is called bleaching agent. Okay, and bleaching agent, bleaching powder is also used as disinfectant. What is disinfectant? What is disinfectant? Substance which can kill microorganisms, like bacteria, etc., which are disease causing organisms. Substance which can kill microorganisms which are disease causing organisms. Substance which can kill microorganisms like disease causing organisms. Example, bleaching powder only. Apart from this, children, the last important one I forgot to discuss, children. In this lesson only we have, children, do you remember, children, washing soda is used in removing
Hardness of water.
Permanent hardness of water.
Yeah, what is hard water and soft water? Soft water. What is soft water? Which
Which
don't
doesn't
have.
have salts.
Soft water means which don't have salts. Soft water means which don't have salts. Means we can drink directly. Next, what is hard water?
Which has salts.
Hard water which has salts. Hard water is that which has salts. Hard water is that which has salts. There are two types of hard water. Temporary hard water. Temporary hard water and permanent hard water. Temporary hard water and permanent hard water. Temporary hard water consists of, you should write like a statement. Temporary hard water consists of bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium. Temporary hard water consists of bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium. Temporary hard water consists of bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium. Temporary hard water consists of bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium. Okay, children? Temporary hard water consists of bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium. Permanent hard water consists of
Chlorides and sulfates of magnesium and calcium.
sulfates and chlorides of calcium and magnesium. Sulfides and chlorides of calcium and magnesium. Sulfides and chlorides of calcium and magnesium. Sulfates and chlorides of calcium and magnesium. Okay, children? So, calcium chloride, calcium sulfate, magnesium chloride, magnesium. If these are present only, then called permanent hard water. Not whatever salt is there. This only causes mainly hardness, children. Hardness. Okay? So, these are the definitions which are there in our textbook, children. So, any more definitions are there, then later we will add, children. Right now, 25 definitions we have studied, children, in acids, bases and salts. Acids, bases and already in previous one we studied 21 reactions in chemical reaction, 21 definitions in chemical reactions lessons. So children, 25 definitions we have studied in acids, bases and salts. Yes, children, anyone have any doubt? Did you copy, all of you? You should remember this salts, children. Permanent hard water will consist of chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium. Permanent hard water consists of chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium. Chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium. Chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium. Don't forget, children. Very, very important.